mile in fog patches and showers early Friday, but improving to greater than 6 miles on Friday morning.
Stars shining bright above me. Night breezes seem to whisper sycamore tree. Dream a little dreamer.
Hi guys, this is me, Diva Darina, and today we have something very exciting. Today we have something very important. Today we have something very cool. Today we're gonna unbox our, not mine, our silver button from YouTube that come to me right from USA. And it's so important. I think it's so important to every creator on YouTube to get this button. And really, it's not my award. It's our award. It's your award. Because thanks to you guys, I have it. So I'm really so happy to make this video now and share my happiness with you. So let's do it. Let's open our award. Wow! Wow! Oh my god! It's amazing! It's amazing! Wow! Present to Diva Darina for passing 100,000 subscribers. YouTube. Thank you guys again for this. I will think where I will put it. And soon we will have the next button. Okay, the gold one. We're gonna receive the next one and they will write here million subscribers. Okay? Yes. Don't forget to put like, please, to follow. Also follow my Instagram. There is a lot of videos, a lot of stuff. I put there a lot of my live videos. So subscribe to my Instagram. Somewhere I will leave the link. And thank you again. I love you all so much. Really, guys. Я люблю вас, друзья. Спасибо вам огромное. Te quiero mucho, te amo, muchas gracias, shukran, ni hao, сиси, arigato, I don't know more. Thank you guys. Love you so much.